How to create a professional looking PDF on Typeset. Got a plain boring document that needs a professional makeover? Today I'll show you how to turn your unedited PDFs into a polished beautiful file in just minutes using Typeset. You can publish them online or even sell them as a digital product. When you're on Typeset, click on Create and then click on Document or Ebook. Now you can upload your text document. It doesn't matter if it has no design or no layout because Typeset will handle all of that for you. Once that's uploaded, you can browse through Typeset's huge library of templates, perfect for reports, proposals, ebooks, and more. Choose one that fits your style and your document instantly gets a fresh, professional look. You can also change your PDF's theme colors. Choose between a lot of different combinations of colors and fonts that Typeset has created and prepared for you. Choose from Typeset's diverse library of stock images. You can drop in visuals to make your book even more engaging. Once you're happy with the design, export it as a high-quality PDF. Now you've got a professional-looking document ready to impress your clients, colleagues, or your audience. In the description below, we've linked one of our videos that can show you how you can get a bunch of these bonuses if you sign up for Typeset through our link. Watch the video if you're interested. Transform your plain documents into stunning professional PDFs with Typeset. Click the link in the description below to join and grab those exclusive bonuses while they're still available.